Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into Piper Sandler's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Piper Sandler has reported some interesting numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Piper Sandler has reported a strong start to 2025, particularly in their advisory services, which achieved record first-quarter revenues. The company declared a quarterly dividend of 65 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the financials. Piper Sandler reported net revenues of $357 million and adjusted net revenues of $383 million for Q1 2025. How does this compare to expectations, John?
Well, the adjusted earnings per share came in at $4.09, significantly beating the forecasted EPS of $2.42 from the single analyst estimate. This indicates a robust performance, especially in their advisory services, which contributed significantly to the revenue growth.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this strong performance?
The growth was primarily driven by a 38% year-over-year increase in advisory services revenues, reaching $217 million. This was supported by strong contributions from their financial services, healthcare, and chemicals groups.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook. Piper Sandler's pre-tax margin was reported at 17.9%. How does this reflect on their operational strategy?
The pre-tax margin, although lower than the previous quarter, still reflects strong operational efficiency. The company has managed to maintain a solid margin despite market volatility, thanks to their strategic focus on high-margin advisory services and cost management.
And what about their future outlook?
Piper Sandler is well-positioned for future growth, with strategic hires in key sectors like energy and healthcare. Their commitment to returning capital to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, totaling $151 million this quarter, also signals confidence in their ongoing performance.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Chad Abraham, the CEO of Piper Sandler, mentioned a strong start to 2025. What insights did he provide about their strategic initiatives?
Chad Abraham highlighted the record revenues in advisory services as a key achievement. He emphasized their active engagement with clients and leveraging deep sector expertise to navigate market uncertainties. The strategic hires in energy and healthcare sectors are part of their growth strategy to expand their market footprint.
How does this align with their overall market strategy?
Their focus on expanding into high-growth sectors and maintaining strong client relationships aligns well with their strategy to drive sustainable growth. This proactive approach in talent acquisition and market engagement is expected to bolster their competitive position.
Key takeaways. In summary, Piper Sandler has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025, with significant growth in advisory services and a robust adjusted EPS of 49 cents. Their strategic initiatives and market engagement are setting a solid foundation for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Piper Sandler's performance this quarter is indeed commendable, and their strategic focus on high-growth sectors is promising for investors.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Piper Sandler's performance in the comments below.